Hey guys, today let's learn how to change our username on the X or the Twitter application. So if you guys are wondering how to change your username on that application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to do this step by step. So what we actually need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Twitter or the X application as it is known today. So once you're already on the X or Twitter application, let's go ahead and tap on our profiles on the top corner, and that should show you the option to access your profile. Now tap on profile once more, and once you're already here, I want you to go ahead and tap on edit profile, and once you're here, let's tap on username or name, and we could actually proceed with changing our names through here. But if you want to go ahead and change your username, I want you to go ahead and access your settings over on your profile, tap on settings and support, and then tap on settings and privacy. Now from here, let's tap on your account information, and you should see your account information and your username right here. But as you would notice, in order for us to change our username, it's going to be pretty easy, and all we need to do is just go ahead and enter our new username, and basically confirm that we want to change our username, and proceed with changing it with whatever we prefer. Now tap on done and save once you're happy, and that is all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.